By consuming more fruits and veggies, the DASH diet provides a regulated process for weight loss to those looking to lose weight. This method is considered one of the suitable solutions for people with heart problems or diabetes and, on the other hand, to lose weight to eliminate the complications of their disease. But can such diets be trusted? Stay tuned with parshealthTV because we have provided more detailed tips about this diet. What is the DASH diet? The DASH diet, Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is a diet for people who want to protect themselves against high blood pressure or reduce the risk of heart disease. The DASH diet is based on fruits, vegetables, grains, and meat without fat. Researchers looked at people who followed a plant-based diet, such as vegetarians, and found that high blood pressure was much lower in them. That's why the DASH diet focuses on fruits and vegetables while including lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and beans. Also, this diet contains a small amount of red meat, salt, and sugar. The DASH diet program recommends no more than 1 teaspoon, 2,300 milligrams, of sodium per day, which aligns with the global standard. Another type of this diet recommends a lower amount of salt, more than 3.4 teaspoons, 1,500 milligrams, of sodium per day. So, the DASH diet is designed to reduce high blood pressure. While it is rich in valuable fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Limit red meat, salt, added sugars, and fat. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's see why the DASH diet is recommended. Why is the DASH diet recommended? In addition to lowering blood pressure, the DASH diet has other benefits, including weight loss and reducing cancer risk. However, don't expect the DASH diet to help you lose weight. Because this diet is basically designed to lower blood pressure. The amount of pressure or force exerted on the walls is called systolic pressure, blood pressure when the heart beats. Diastolic pressure. The pressure in your blood vessels between heartbeats when your heart is at rest. Normal systolic blood pressure for adults is less than 120 mm Hg, and diastolic pressure is less than 80 mm Hg. Systolic pressure is usually written as diastolic pressure, such as 120/80. Interestingly, the DASH diet significantly lowers blood pressure in both healthy individuals and those with high blood pressure. In studies, people on the DASH diet experienced lower blood pressure even if they didn't lose weight or limit their salt intake. However, when sodium intake was limited, the DASH diet showed lower blood pressure. In fact, the most significant reduction in blood pressure has been observed in people with the lowest salt intake. In people with normal blood pressure, it decreases systolic blood pressure by 4 mg and diastolic blood pressure by 2 mg. Also, other studies have shown that limiting salt intake can also reduce blood pressure, especially in people with high blood pressure. Remember that lowering blood pressure does not always reduce the risk of heart disease. It may be helpful for weight loss. You may have experienced low blood pressure or lost weight on the DASH diet. However, you have a better chance of lowering your blood pressure by losing weight if you have high blood pressure. This is because the heavier you are, the more likely you are to have high blood pressure. In addition, it has been found that the lower the weight, the lower the blood pressure. Some studies show that people exposed to the DASH diet lose weight. However, those who have lost weight on the DASH diet have controlled their calorie intake because it is said to consume fewer calories. Given that the DASH diet cuts out many foods that are high in fat or high in sugar, people may think that they are losing weight because they are cutting back on calories. Others may have to limit their intake. In any case, if you want to lose weight on the DASH diet, you still need a low-calorie diet. Other benefits of the DASH diet. The DASH diet may also affect other areas of health. Reducing the risk of cancer. A recent study has shown that the risk of some cancers, including colorectal and breast cancer, has decreased for people who were on the DASH diet. Reduced risk of metabolic syndrome. Some studies show that the DASH diet can reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome by 81%. Reduced risk of diabetes. Diet is linked with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Some studies show that it can also improve the body's resistance to it. Reducing the risk of heart disease. In a recent study of women following a diet similar to Dash, the risk of heart disease was reduced by 20% compared to the risk of stroke. Many of these side effects depend on the high consumption of fruits and vegetables in the diet. In general, eating fruits and vegetables further reduces the risk of disease. How to make your diet more Dash-like. Choose fat-free or low-fat dairy products. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken, and beans. Eat food with vegetable oils. Limit your intake of foods that contain added sugar, such as soda and candy. Consume foods with saturated fats such as fatty meat and fatty dairy products with more useful oils like coconut oil and olive oil. Since there are no specific foods in the Dash diet, you can adjust your current diet to the Dash guidelines by doing the following. Eat more veggies and fruits. Replacing refined grains with whole grains. In addition to the recommended fresh fruit juice, this diet recommends drinking low-calorie beverages such as water, tea, and coffee. The Dash diet may be an easy and practical way to lower blood pressure. However, keep in mind that reducing daily salt intake to 3/4 teaspoon, 1,500 milligrams, or less is associated with other health conditions, such as a reduced risk of heart disease, although it can lower blood pressure. In addition, the Dash diet is very similar to the standard low-fat diet, which trials have shown does not reduce the risk of death from heart problems. Healthy people may have no reason to follow a Dash diet. However, if you have high blood pressure or think you may be sensitive to salt, Dash is probably a good choice for you. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel. Are you looking for more amazing health-related videos? Don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen.